Hello everyone, my name is Okta Dwi Ramadhani. I will present my answers for the English 1 Mid test. Reading material. The tech startup EcoCycle recently scored its first round of seed funding totaling $5 million. This substantial capital injection was immediately allocated across three core departments: finance, marketing, and operations. From a marketing perspective, the team decided to adopt a digital-first strategy. Their primary goal is to increase brand awareness among environmentally conscious consumers using social media campaigns that emphasize the product's unique value proposition, sustainable, recyclable phone case. The marketing budget was optimized to achieve a high ROI, return on investment, through targets advertising. In operation management, EcoCycle faced a more complex challenge. They aimed for a lean manufacturing process to minimize waste and reduce production costs. This required restructuring their supply chain to partner only with certified sustainable vendors. The operation team had to implement new quality control protocols, ensuring that the output met both ethical and customer standards without increasing the lead team significantly. The finance department, led by the CFO, was responsible for the budget allocation and managing cash flow. Their main focus was on financial forecasting to project future revenue and maintain sufficient liquidity. They also had to calculate the cost of goods sold (COGS) accurately to set a competitive yet profitable pricing strategy. The decision to invest heavily in R&D, research and development, was reviewed weekly to ensure alignment with long-term financial goals. A. Comprehension question. What is seed funding and what was the total amount of the initial seed funding secured by EcoCycle? Answer. Seed funding is the initial capital provided to help a startup begin its operation. EcoCycles got a total of $5 million in initial seed funding. 2. What is the unique value proposition and unique value proposition emphasized by the marketing team? Answer. EcoCycle's unique value proposition is its sustainable, eco-friendly, and recyclable phone case. 3. In operation management, what key process did EcoCycle adopt to reduce production costs? Answer. In operation management, EcoCycle adopted a lean manufacturing process to minimize waste and reduce production costs. They also restructured their supply chain to work only with certified sustainable vendors. 4. What was the main responsibility of the finance department regarding future earnings? Answer. The finance department was responsible for budget allocation and cash flow management, focusing on financial forecasting to project future revenue and maintain sufficient liquidity. Critical thinking and integrated vocabulary question. 1. The article mentioned the marketing budget was optimized for a high ROI, return on investment. Answer. ROI, return on investment, is important because it shows how effectively the marketing budget generates profit. By evaluating ROI, the company can determine whether the promotion costs are worth the result and ultimately the most efficient and profitable marketing strategies. 2. Apa itu cost of goods sold COGS dan mengapa tim operation management perlu menghitung cost of goods sold COGS secara akurat sebelum menetapkan pricing strategy? Answer. COGS refers to the direct cost of producing goods, including raw materials and labor. The operation team must calculate accurately to set competitive with profitable price, ensuring financial stability and sustainable growth. 3. Apa itu lean manufacturing and supply chain? Mengapa operasional memutuskan untuk melakukan lean manufacturing and restrukturasi supply chain? Menurut Anda, trade-off atau kompromi apa yang paling mungkin dihadapi oleh manajemen dalam keputusan ini? Answer. Lean manufacturing is a production approach focused on reducing waste and improving efficiency. The supply chain is the network that connects suppliers, production, and distribution. EcoCycle adopts these methods to lower production costs and ensure ethical, sustainable standards. However, the possible trade-off may be longer lead times or higher initial costs due to working only with certificate sustainable vendors. That's all for me. Thanks you for listening.